A bold invention for humanity and the world. A bold invention or discovery must not be technology or machine. It could be a universal principle of nature that is able to make humans safer, healthier, or better. The path to a better world or sustainable development is humanity. This is a guide divulging a systematic principle of transformative change for personal growth and collective empowerment that empowers us to transcend limitations, achieve greatness, and contribute to sustainable development in unity of minds and purpose, helping us to create a world where everyone can thrive and make a meaningful impact. It is a universal principle of nature called H-TIP's Human and Time Innovation Power System, a holistic solution that transforms the individual person to live or act morally and create better solutions to new and existing problems for a peaceful and equitable world. It establishes an interreligious unity that fosters human dignity, productivity, and sustainable development. H-TIPs can be freely put to use by anyone around the world and can be easily adopted by individuals, groups, and nations without any barrier or religion, profession, location, or gender. Even a child of 4 years old can be tutored to use H-TIPs in a bid to catch them young and for the good of humanity and the world, our true home. Those who reject this bold discovery are not only prideful, but wicked. They do not wish themselves or humanity well. How to use H-TIPs? H-TIPs invites you to intentionally and consciously speak in your favor and in favor of your family and friends, city and nation at the hour of 12 noon or 12 midnight daily. These are the gravitational hours of the earth that require the most important human creative energy, the spoken words, mindfully and on purpose on a daily basis. If you miss the 12 midnight, try to make up at noon. This is one of the most powerful principles of the universe. The ignorance or neglect of this fundamental principle of life and the universe is the cause of all human degeneration and powerlessness. That is why so many people are so greedy, lacking self-control, and are in poverty, even though the world is complete and full of abundance. Without using H-TIPs, people are also more likely to commit all kinds of crimes or make grievous mistakes. The following are some of the benefits of deploying H-TIPs. 1. Universal leadership exploits. You have exercised your universal leadership authority over everything. The earth, your day and your life to live successfully and securely. 2. Safety and exemption from all harm. You have exempted yourself from all harms, and you cannot be killed by any violence, your mistakes, or the mistakes of other people. 3. Mind renovation. You have exposed yourself each day to diversity of knowledge and understanding, and become receptive to new or better ideas about life and the universe. 4. Unity of minds and purpose. You have become systematically united, with everyone doing the same in your country and around the world. H-TIPs was discovered and designed by Ejigban Daniel Okada. For more about H-TIPs, you can order the full version of A Bold Invention for Humanity on Amazon. Or, for questions, comments, contributions, partnership, and collaboration, contact Mr. Ejigban on WhatsApp on 2,347,037,384,000. Or, you can connect with Okada on social media at @Okada. All rights reserved at Ejigban Daniel Okada.